Hi, I'm Tash. I'm doing level 3 music technology and sound engineering.
Hi, I'm Em. I'm doing level 3 sound engineering and music production.
I really love learning about the technical side of music, along with being able to have freedom over my creativity and be able to make things I'm really proud of.
I agree. I like using Logic and creating my own stuff. And then in the studio we can, have practical lessons where we use instruments, and then also doing a lot of practical stuff where we do sound and engineering, set up the PA and stuff.
I'm hoping to become a sound engineer, either live or studio. I just really enjoy that side of things, but also have quite an interest in making my own music. And with the skills I'm learning here, I'm going to be able to do that hopefully.
I'm hoping to go to uni to pursue music, and then I like performing, so maybe hopefully go into that side of things, but if not, sound engineering. I'd like to do that as well.